Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to Be Modern Meditation. We all lead such busy lives that can make us feel stressed out, overwhelmed and out of control. I know I did. Meditation was the game changer for me, allowing me to get back in touch with who I really was underneath the busy, and I'd love to help you do the same. This isn't like meditation that you might have experienced before. Be meditation is based on scientific research that's both compelling and convincing. Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. At Be, you'll learn simple yet powerful techniques that will transform how you experience your life, whether that's as an individual, in a group, or in your workplace. You can make a huge difference with just 5 minutes meditating a day. You'll have a practice that works for your life, no matter what that looks like, and a lifetime of support in Be community.
I knew nothing about meditation, and Laura opened my eyes to the art of meditation, and it was life-changing.
This is about more than learning how to meditate. This is about how to make it happen and how to be more in your life.
I think introducing the meditation time in the office is going to be so helpful, not just for the workplace, but I think for everyone's own personal well-being as well.
She was able to present meditation in a much more practical sense and how you can actually get it into your busy day. And it's been great, like even the after support with Laura has been fantastic. Like it really is like having Laura in my pocket. She's just a WhatsApp away.
Just imagine sleeping better, feeling more calm, and taming that busy mind. Please get in touch and let's get started together.